Good evening, I'm the Tool Nut. In the last video in this series we had partially sharpened the chain on the chainsaw. In this video we're going to complete sharpening the chain and we're going to file the rakers or depth stops. As you can see, I have the saw flipped around on my vise and there's one or two teeth here to be sharpened and we'll be done then. I'll just set up the camera. Bear with me. So I have my roller guide installed on the bar and chain, and this chain is in pretty good nick, so it won't need much. So again, gentle pressure to the right hand side. I'm giving it 5 strokes per tooth on this side. I give the other side 4 strokes, and this is my weak side, so I'm compensating for that by giving it an extra stroke. A quick check with the torch. Yeah, nice shiny working coral, culminating in a nice point. Just move the chain back, brake on. And that completes the sharpening of the chain. I'll mark my start point here with a black permanent marker so I know where to start and where to finish. So what I'm going to move on to next is filing the rakers or depth stops. So I'll just get set up for that.